Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be playing with, well, this over here. I've had it since my birthday last year, and honestly it's been a while since I got it out, so I thought, wait, much better way to, do a first run on it for a few years after doing a YouTube video. So you guys, hope you guys do enjoy this. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. We can go for 12 likes on this video. I will do another one of these. I've got 2 RC cars, so I can do one on the other ones. We could do like 2 races to compare them, see which one's faster, which one's better off-roading. But yeah guys, I'll see you all next time. Have a brilliant day guys. Enjoy the clips. Okay, just had a bit of a crash, and I think I may have just, yeah, I went right into the side there on this rock here. It could be bad, but this could be fine. I'm pretty sure it's fine. I'll have a bit of a look now. Yeah, pretty sure we're on a battery. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, well, there you go, guys. There is the video. Hope you guys did truly enjoy. And the reason why I didn't speak much in this video is because I have got, I think I got a bit of a cold, maybe just like a sore throat or something coming up. It's pretty horrible, but yeah. So yeah, here's my RC car that I used for today's video. I've got two of them. I might do another video on that. Yeah. Okay, it's just like the VIPER of some sort. I'm not sure quite now because it's been quite a long time since I've driven it, so I forgot like a lot of things about it. It's pretty just, it's a really good car. GoPro mount there, engine and everything there. So it's a pretty beefy engine. Radio transmitter, I think that is. There's the batteries in there, which if you are wondering which batteries I use, I just use the regular LiPo 2005. Yeah. I have got a 3000 edition, which actually I think there was a tiny bit of a visible notice, I think, but remember, I think it's just my eyes actually. So yeah, it's a pretty nice car. I've had it for a long time actually, more than a year now. And yeah, radio transmitter here. Don't know any of these buttons are for it. It's just regular controls, and yeah. So yeah, guys, there's my RC car. I'm pretty sure this video should be out on a Friday, if I'm right. Maybe it's a Saturday, I'm not sure. So whatever day you're watching this on. And yeah, guys, hope you're having a brilliant day, and I will see you on my next video. Have a brilliant day, guys. Goodbye.